Hi you guys, so one of my friends is getting married next week and I am super excited about it. She's a Marwadi, so I'm gonna wear the regal Rajasthani face to slay all the wedding ready faces. I'm going to share a quick makeup tutorial with you guys to help you get wedding ready. And also I have partnered with Faces Canada. The wedding range by Faces Canada is one stop for all your faces. So now without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first I'm gonna start by applying primer to my face. Since weddings can be really long, you also need your makeup to be long lasting. So I'm gonna use the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Perfecting Primer. It's a 2-in-1 primer plus moisturizer that keeps the skin hydrated. I am just going to take a little on my fingers and apply it all over my face. It minimizes pores and fine lines, forming a perfect base for any makeup. Features a silicone based formula and the consistency is really smooth and silky. Like you can see, it has a slight tint to it. It has mattifying effect, so it's perfect for people with oily skin. Next we'll move over to the foundation. I will be applying the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Matte Mousse Foundation. It has a buildable sheer to medium coverage, a feather light matte mousse formula which feels really light on the skin. It comes with SPF 10 and the mousse completely transforms into a matte powder-like finish, making it look flawless. And along with that, I'm gonna use the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Way to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the shade Champagne 02. This will just give a really nice glow to my skin, and it is infused with vitamin A and it protects the skin from the UV hyperpigmentation. I'll apply the mixture all over my face with my fingers first and then blend it with the brush. Moving on, now I'll apply the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Matte Mousse Concealer in the shade 02 Medium. Easy to blend mousse formula which gives a medium to high coverage. It has a crease proof formula which I'm super happy about. So I'll just apply this under my eyes and on the acne scars and blend it with my fingers. Now I'm going to set my concealer with the help of Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Finishing Touch Setting Powder. It has invisible coverage, seamlessly blends with your skin and is paraben free. Now, itne bright wedding mein utne hi colorful eyeshadows hone chahiye, right? So I'm gonna use the Faces Canada Ultime Pro eyeshadow palette. It has highly blendable shades in shimmery, glittery and matte texture, super pigmented and rich color payoff. It has long lasting formula and is crease resistant, so it won't fade away in few hours. I'm going to first apply this light brown color on the crease and the outer corner of my eye, followed by the dark brown. Now I'll take this copper color and just pat it on the lids. And taking the light golden color and applying it on the inner corners. I'll also take the same brown and apply it on the lower lashes. No Indian wedding look is complete without kajal, right? I'll just take the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Intense Gel Kajal and just apply it. It has a creamy consistency and great intensity, making it long lasting. Again, I'm going to take the same brown shade and fill in my eyebrows with it and apply mascara. Moving over to the base again, I'll now add a flush of color to my cheeks with the help of Faces Canada Ultime Pro Matte Mousse Blush in the shade Apricot 03. A lightweight mousse blush that feels satin soft and has micro shimmers. Mousse texture blends flawlessly and sets to a powder-like format that gives a natural flush and glow to the skin. Applying the Way to Go illuminator on the high points of my face, including cheekbones, under the eyebrows and T-zone, and just blend it out. Lastly, to finish everything off, I'm gonna apply the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer in the shade Flamingo 23. It's a primer infused matte lip color and it's long lasting. It has a creamy application but a matte finish. And that's it. Just got wedding ready with the help of Faces Canada, here for all your faces. Let me know what you think of this look in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and give it a big fat thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye!